Welcome to Kayden's Keynote tutorial. So first you're going to want to open up Keynote and then click this little plus in the corner right here. And then choose a theme. There are several options. I'm just going to go with basic black. And here you can the title, and see this? There's this other little plus in this corner, the bottom left corner. And what you want to do with it is this is how you add your slides. Photo, a bunch of other stuff. But let's just, I don't think there's let's just create a blank one. And then with this other plus closer to the top right hand corner, this is where we can add all our stuff, like text, and then you can edit stuff with the paintbrush. Like, you can stylize it. You can change the font. But I have to probably highlight the text, otherwise the font won't change. See? And then you can increase the highlighted text. You can change the color of the text. You can make it a lettered list or whatever you want. Increase the amount of space between the lines, the amount of columns there are. You can increase the text margin. You can even shrink text so that fits. Look at that. Alright, and then you can add animation. So I'm going to take a square and I'm going to tap it again, say animate. We can add a bunch of stuff. I'll do this flame effect for an example. And then what we'll do, I think I'm going to make it just move around. You can, and also in the actions menu, you can either go out or you can add a second action. And then there's a build out, which will be the animation for when it disappears. So let's see what it's like. Alright, and as we can see, the animation worked. So, however, we could create another object. Let's say this arrow, and we don't edit it, we animate it. Let's say it drifts. Alright, and then burns to leave. Alright, but now, so we have our square doing its animations. nice and simple. And then it just goes out. And then we have an arrow that goes in, goes out, reappears and burns. So, but what if we want those to be in a different order? Tap animate, see this 3 lines with the 3 dots? Tap that, and you have all of the animations. And then we could make it so that to change the order, or we can make it go after stuff or with stuff, and we can add a delay. Alright, let's see what that does. And let's click this triangle or the present button. Have that. Squares moving around. And without tapping, the 4th part of the animation should play, yeah, at the same time. And after that, new arrow comes in and goes out. Alright, let's exit the animation menu. We can just delete the objects. And yeah, that's basically all you need to know on how to use it. Alright, opinion segment. There are some pros and cons, such as not being compatible with Google stuff. Like, you can save it as a PDF and send it to, like, Google Classroom as, no, not a PDF. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can do it, but as a PowerPoint. You could do that, but I don't think it would work very well. And because of that, I think what you should, so because of that, it isn't perfect. But I still recommend it because it has the option to go into a format that Google stuff can understand, and because it's just such more powerful. I mean, not such more powerful, much more powerful than Google Drive. I mean, not Google Drive, Google Slides. And that's important because it's an app directly on the iPad instead of getting something off the web, so you can edit presentations offline easier because they're automatically offline. You don't need to flag them to be edited offline, which is really useful. And in conclusion, Keynote is an amazing piece of software, and it is totally worth all of the cons. That's all I can say. Oh, however, I still have more explaining to do on how to use it, because this is how you change the name, and then you can also do something called Magic Move, and it's an animation, and you basically just copy it and you just move objects to a different spot, but that's it. But you should definitely use it. It's worth it. Right, sign out. Bye.